Good morning, boys and girls. This will be days 4 and 5 of the 180 Days of Reading passage. The title of this story or this passage is a laundry mystery. A laundry mystery. When her mom and dad discovered that Rachel had learned to do laundry, they decided to get her a laundry basket. Rachel was pleased about that. It made it easier to get her dirty clothes to the laundry room. One Saturday afternoon, Rachel noticed that her laundry basket was packed. It was definitely time to wash her clothes. So she dragged her basket to the laundry room and she got started. When the washer was finished, she took her clothes out and started putting them into the dryer. Then she noticed something. "Mom," she called, "come here, quick." Her mom came running. "What's the matter, Rachel?" "Look at this sweater." Rachel pointed at a pink sweater she was holding. "This isn't supposed to be pink. When we bought it, it was a white sweater. Something happened to it." Rachel's mom looked closely at the sweater. Then she opened the dryer and peered inside at the clothing and other things that Rachel had put in it. I think I know what happened," her mom said. "Do you see that red towel?" Rachel nodded and removed the towel from the dryer. "What about it?" "That towel is red because it's been dyed that color. And the red dye wasn't color fast. So some of the red dye rubbed off the towel while it was in the washer and got onto your sweater. When that happens, it's called bleeding." "Then why did my sweater turn red?" Rachel wondered aloud. "Because some of the dye bled onto the sweater. The rest stayed in the towel." Rachel thought briefly. Then she said, "Well, I guess it's not horrible that my sweater turned pink. At least it matches some of my other clothes. But I don't want this to happen again. The surest way to prevent this problem is to separate the white things from the rest of your laundry. That way the colored dyes won't mix together among your clothes." Number 1. What is the problem? What is the problem? A. Rachel hates doing laundry. B. Rachel's mom is mad at her. C. Rachel ruins her sweater. Or D. Rachel is bleeding. Number 2. A reader would most likely read the text to A. Learn how to do laundry. B. Learn the meaning of color fast. C. Be persuaded to do laundry. Or D. To be entertained by a fictional story. Number 3. The next time Rachel does her laundry, she will probably A. Not go into the laundry room. B. Wash her white things separately. C. Wash her red towel with her white things. Or D. Buy a pink sweater. Number 4. By the end of the text, Rachel has learned that A. She should no longer do laundry. B. She needs to wash her clothes according to color. C. She needs to ask permission to wash mom's clothes. Or D. Fabric dyes turn all clothes red. Number 5. How does Rachel probably feel when she sees that her sweater is pink? A. Grateful. B. Afraid. C. Surprised. Or D. Delighted. And number 6. Which book title would you expect to have a similar theme to this one? A. Laundry 101. B. The Case of the Missing Sock. C. The History of Dyeing Fabric. D. Color Fast Catastrophes. And then for day 5, you need to write on the lines provided to you. It says, reread a laundry mystery, then read the prompt and respond to the lines on the lines below. Have you ever accidentally dyed your favorite shirt pink? What did you do? If not, what do you imagine it would be like to be in that situation? And that's all for days 4 and 5.